how to make your drone last 5 years or more, or accidentally turn it into an expensive paperweight by default series. Every drone owner has two possible futures. 5 years from now, your drone could still be flying beautifully, capturing breathtaking photos, cinematic videos, and unforgettable memories. Or it could be sitting on a shelf, collecting dust as nothing more than an expensive paperweight. So what determines which future becomes yours? Many people assume that drones are like cameras. As long as you keep them safely inside a protective case, they should last 5, maybe even 10 years. When you need them, you simply take them out, charge the battery, and fly. Unfortunately, that's not how drones work. A drone is far more than a camera. It is a precision flying machine. Every single flight exposes your drone to tiny amounts of vibration, heat, dust, moisture, changing temperatures, wind resistance, and the repeated forces of takeoffs, landings, acceleration, braking, and high-speed maneuvers. None of these things may seem serious by themselves, but they all leave a small footprint, and those footprints accumulate over time. The truth is, drones rarely fail overnight. Like many precision machines, they slowly age. One flight after another, one hard landing after another, one hot afternoon, one dusty environment, one small amount of moisture. Each flight may only take away a tiny fraction of your drone's long-term reliability. You may not notice it today or even next month, but eventually those small changes begin to add up. This is one of the biggest differences between people who enjoy years of reliable flying and those whose drones begin experiencing problems after only 6 to 12 months. One area that deserves a special attention is the battery. Many drone owners think of the battery as something that simply stores power. In reality, it is one of the most important components of the entire aircraft. Battery performance naturally changes over time. Improper charging habits, storing batteries fully charged for long periods, exposing them to excessive heat, or neglecting them between flights can all shorten their lifespan. A healthy battery contributes to a stable and predictable flight. A neglected battery can reduce flight time, affect performance, and in some situations, increase operational risk. Just as importantly, pay attention to the rest of the drone. A little dirt inside a motor, a slightly bent propeller, a loose arm after a hard landing, a small amount of moisture after flying in light rain. Individually, these issues may appear harmless, but together, they slowly reduce the reliability of your drone, because many serious problems begin inside the aircraft long before you can see them on the outside. This is why preventive maintenance is so important. Think about your car. Most people don't wait until the engine fails before changing the oil. They don't wait until the brakes stop working before having them inspected. Preventive maintenance keeps small problems from becoming expensive ones. The same principle applies to drones. Regular cleaning, routine inspections, proper battery care, replacing worn propellers before they fail, and after any significant crash or water exposure, having the drone professionally inspected, even if it still appears to fly normally. These simple habits can dramatically extend the life of your drone and help prevent unexpected failures. Drone ownership is a long-term investment. The goal isn't simply to make your drone last longer. The goal is to keep it flying safely, reliably, and confidently every time you take off. The good news is that this isn't determined by luck. In many cases, the lifespan of your drone is influenced by the way you care for it. Every inspection, every cleaning, every properly stored battery, every small maintenance decision you make today becomes an investment in years of reliable flying tomorrow. Your drone can become one of two things: a reliable flying machine that continues creating amazing experiences for years to come, or an expensive paperweight sitting on a shelf. The choice is often made long before the drone ever stops flying.